welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra, and today I'm doing this little paw trinket bowl. I did get this from BB Craft. I will have all the links in the description box to the BB Craft YouTube program. If you're interested in that, you need a minimum of 100 subscribers and engagement on your channel. The link will be in the description box. All you do is fill it out, and they'll determine if they want to send you product to use in your videos. You will have to do an unboxing video and a few videos using some of the products that you selected. So all that will be in the description box. Today I want to work on this. I'm going to work on this in a minute. I'm going to focus on this little mold here. And I have some black glitter from Michaels. And I have about just under an ounce of resin there. So I'm going to put some glitter in there. Let's see if that's enough. My son, he has a couple of cats. He's got a male and a female. This one is going to be for his little male kitty cat. I don't know if this glitter is going to show up in this resin. It's the first time I really tried it in the resin. It just doesn't look sparkly. Oh well, you live and you learn, don't you? This does seem like it will sink. I'm going to put a small drop of clear Elmer's glue, and what this will do is this will suspend the glitter and prevent it from sinking. Just put one small drop, and now I'm going to mix this up, and it's going to turn to like a gloopy slime type texture or viscosity. So yep, that's what I want. See how it is like really gloopy. It's hard to tell from the angle I'm filming in. But there it is. So hopefully I have enough resin mixed up. So I'm going to pour some in here, like so. I'm trying to keep it contained into the little paw section, or the pads of the paw. Is that what that's called? I know a lot of people do these for dogs, but the one little dog we had, he passed away. So, but my son has some cats, and he don't live too far from me, so I can hand deliver this. My daughter has a cat and a dog. Her dog is a service dog. So my daughter has epilepsy. So, and her little doggy helps her out a lot. Beautiful dog. Very thankful for that dog. So, there's that. I'm just going to top these off just a little bit, this one here. And I don't want to overfill it. I don't want it pouring over the sides. That one looked like it might. Okay, I'm going to stop there. Okay, I'm going to give it a quick spritz with some isopropyl alcohol. All that will do is pop the bubbles. And I'm just going to let this sit to the side and let the bubbles rise to the surface for a good hour. And then once an hour passes, I will put this on my heat mat to speed up the curing process. So I will see you in a second. Okay, this is cured enough. It does not look like black glitter, but that's no problem. I have 5 ounces of resin mixed up. I'm going to use this blue Mylar inclusions I got from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to just dump some in. See how that looks. Maybe some more in there. Just a little bit. Okay. I'm going to add 2 drops of the Elmer's glue. 1 too. And it's going to turn that into like a slime. That way the inclusions don't settle, because if you don't do that, when you pour it in and you let it cure over time, all this will settle to where you will have all the mylar will be down in the what would eventually be the top of the mold, and it'll be clear at the bottom. So I'm just wanting to suspend the mylar. See how that turned it like a slime? So sounds like we have marching bands outside practicing. I don't know, you probably hear it. It's kind of cool. I know my neighbor's son was, I believe he was in the marching band. Okay, I'm going to give this a little pinch. Let me get this tool right here. I'm going to put a little bit more in there. And let's see, because I can see that it's not getting down in under here. That's where I want it. It's like air pockets in there. And that's where all the air pockets are in these molds. I don't know if you can see it on camera. But see that little pocket there? I'm going to force it out. See that? There's another one right here. I'm just forcing it out. And we have another one right here. Okay. I'm going to pour some more resin. Just a little bit. It's kind of hard. It's almost like you got to cut it. I'm going to let that sit for a minute. Now we're going to pour it in here. Hold on. Let me get that right. There you go. It's a beautiful day out there today. I'm just going to push down, get all this in there. Okay, I'm going to give it a little help, because you're going to have air pockets just like that at the bottom here. So I'm going to squeeze out what I can. Okay. I can see some air pockets. Do you see them? Right here. And one right here. Let me get it out of there. Basically, I'm scooping the air out. It's just a bubble. See something in there I don't want in there. I don't know if I got it. Nope, it's right here. And I want to dome both of these. That one looks domed. Let me see, let me make sure. This is domed. I may have too much in that one, but this one, not enough. I want it domed. And domed is where the resin comes up just over. You can just see the edge of it. It's not the concaved under the mold. It's popped up just a little bit above where the surface tension keeps it in place, and that is perfect. So I think I did pretty good on my measurements. I don't have much here. So I'm going to, this is a good test too. If you over pour it and use spritz with isopropyl, chances are you're going to break the surface tension and it's going to overspill. We will find out right now if I overfilled that one. And we're going to check that one too. All the isopropyl alcohol does is pop the bubbles. So I'm going to leave that like it is for about an hour. Let all the bubbles pop up and rise to the surface. And after an hour, I will set this on my heat mat to speed along the curing process. So I will see you when that's finished. Okay, these are cured. Let's see what we have. I hope this turned out pretty. I hope my son and his wife like these. They like the little stuff that I make them. Okay, got that. These are so far relatively easy to demold. Just gotta pull it off the edge and flip it down and pull it out. There you go. Always make sure you turn your molds the right way right after unmolding or demolding. Okay, let's see this. Isn't that cute? That does not look like I used glitter at all. It looks like I just used pigment paste. That is so odd. Let's see this. Oh, isn't that cute? Let's see how they fit. Oh, it's a nice fit. This is a nice mold. You got the little paw print. I bet you could fill this up to just under the rim, and then you can do like just a solid, a different color, contrasting color, and it would look like a print on the bottom. Of course, it wouldn't look like this, but it would have the outline, this outline here, this outline here. Yeah, that's exactly what that is, just a little smaller. But that is so cute. I really like that. I love how the lid is 3D, how the paw print's raised. The quality of this mold is really good. Yeah. So if you're interested in this mold, I will have the link in the description box, along with the link to the BB Craft YouTube program. Let me know what you would think different, what you would do differently if you were to do this. Leave it in the comment section. Your comments and likes really help my channel a lot, more than you could know. So if you got this far in this video, leave a paw print in the comment section. Let me know that you got this far. And I want to thank you for hanging out with me today. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave in the comment section down below. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And to my subscribers, you have a great day and God bless. Bye.